If you are experiencing payment failures on Mighty Networks, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check payment information. Ensure that all your payment details are entered correctly. Verify the credit card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address to make sure there are no typos or outdated information. Step 2. Confirm sufficient funds. Make sure that your payment method has sufficient funds or credit available. If you are using a credit card, check your credit limit and if there are any holes on your account. Step 3. Review account status. Log into your Mighty Networks account and check if there are any notifications regarding your membership or payment status. Sometimes, account issues can lead to payment failures. Step 4. Try a different payment method. If the issue persists, attempt to use a different payment method. This could involve switching to another credit card, using PayPal, or any other payment options available on the platform. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment failures efficiently. If problems continue, staying in touch with customer support will ensure you get the help you need.